Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
Hi everyone! In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Ofe Nsala, aka white soup. Ofe Nsala is the quickest and easiest Igbo soup. This recipe was super easy and finger licking. Please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and families, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, and let's start cooking. For this recipe, I will be using goat meat, fresh fish. I've got mixture of catfish and mackerel, dry catfish, potato for my thickener. Normally, we make use of yam, but since I don't have yam, I decided to make use of potato. So feel free to use yam. Next, I will transfer all the proteins into my cooking pot. For the seasoning, I will go in with seasoning cubes, pepper soup spice, scotch bonnet pepper, salt, my peeled potatoes, and I will add water to the same level as what we have in the pot. Cover and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Next, I'm going to grind my uziza seed, crayfish, and ogiri together. So let's have fun by grinding it with this mortar.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
At this stage, the potatoes are fully cooked. I will go ahead and take it out from the pot and blend it with my blender.
Delicious.
And I will go ahead and scoop in the grounded crayfish, uziza seed, and ogiri.
Delicious.
After blending, I will add it to the pot. Add bit by bit until you achieve the right consistency. After adding the blended potatoes, cover and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. At this stage, our soup is almost ready, and I will go ahead and taste for salt, and then I will go in with my uziza leaf and spinach. I am using fresh spinach to add life to this soup, guys. Feel free to use otaze and the uziza leaf. It is so nice in this recipe. Mix to combine and cover for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, our soup is ready. This soup was super good, guys. It tasted so amazing and it's very simple to put together. You can pair it with pounded yam or cassava fufu. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Share our videos to your friends and families. Thank you and always be positive, and see you in our next video. Bye guys.